Chairman of the Asian Banking Association, Governor of the Central Bank, and Chairman of Nepal Banking Association, all the delegates from different Asian countries, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for inviting me in this very important conference. I am delighted to participate in this 39th General Meeting and Conference of the Asian Banking Association. I would also like to thank the organizer for holding this important conference in Nepal. The theme of the conference, Asian Banking, Roadmap for Recovery and Sustained Growth, itself specifies the importance of the program. The world economy is facing a series of severe and mutually reinforcing shocks amid the challenge of climate change, disrupting food and energy markets, and worsening food insecurity and malnutrition. New crises were ignited. With the impact of COVID-19 pandemic is still reverberating, the low-income economies confronted with the Russia-Ukraine conflict, which has also led to tightening of monetary policy to contain high inflation. But now I think there is a need for easing on the monetary policy front. We are also now facing conflict in the Middle East, which also poses challenges for global growth and financial stability. So from this perspective also, this discussion on roadmap for recovery and sustained growth is very crucial. The high interest rates are not only reducing growth, they have also weakened investor confidence and dampened private investment, intensified banking sector stress and risk of financial crisis. In addition, it has also weakened all the major drivers of growth, including productivity, trade, and employment. Banks are highly important for the agenda of sustainable economic, social, and environmental development. The current economic predicament faced by the global economy is linked in part to the lending and investment strategies of the banking and financial sectors, an unacceptable level of elasticity to risk-taking of banking sector and engagement in speculation, together with a tendency to circumvent regulatory disciplines, may threaten the integrity and stability of financial system. In addition, insensitivity towards climate challenges and environmental damages in lending policy may also reduce the social acceptance. Challenge for us, the policymaker, is to articulate minimal but strong and effective regulatory system to foster macroeconomic and financial stability to reduce economic vulnerabilities, to reduce fiscal sustainability, and to reinvigorate long-term growth. We need to take bold action to use digital technology safely and optimally in the banking services, to connect the unbanked with financial institutions, to ensure financial access to small and medium-scale enterprises, and to support green banking. In addition, given the diverse nature of financial institutions, consistent and comprehensive regulation of shadow banking is another challenge for us. In Nepal, liberal economic policy adopted by the government has a positive impact in the widening of financial and banking services in Nepal. The government has opened up financial sectors to foreign investors, and I thank foreign banks to be the part of Nepal's development efforts and mobilizing savings and investment. There has been impressive growth in banking and financial institutions over the years. The access to financial services has increased significantly. As of mid-September 2023, the total number of bank and financial institution branches remained 11,567, improving the per branch population rapidly over the years. Use of the emerging technology in banking and financial sector has also increased access to financial services. Online account opening, paying utility bills, transferring money, substantial increase in ATM facilities are some of the initiatives of digital banking services. Similarly, branchless banking services is proved to be easy means in providing financial services in remote areas of the country. The government has supported digital financing services with various policies and programs. The implementation of Nepal Payment Switch, VAT benefits on QR payment, broadband internet via the Rural Telecommunication Development Fund, the integration of government services in Nagrik app are some of the measures in promotion of digital economy and financial services in the country. However, reliability and security are the major concerns of the banking sector in providing digital and technology-based facilities. The banking sector needs to upgrade their digital security measures to ensure robust and reliable facilities to the customers. Likewise, investment in the latest technology to provide swift and hassle-free digital services is also equally important. The government is committed to promoting investment in green economy and to achieve net zero emission by 2045. Policy to invest in renewable energy, particularly promoting hydroelectricity, has indicated positive outcomes. Likewise, the government has policies and programs related to sectoral credits, deprived sector and concessional loan to agriculture, micro, cottage and small enterprises and businesses. These policies will help to promote a green economy and have direct benefit to the people at the lower level. The banking and financial sector can play a pivotal role in promoting a green economy. I'm sure this kind of meeting and conference where participants from about 60 countries are interacting and delving into policy options provide you an opportunity to reflect on the state of banking and financial sectors and policy options. It also provides you an opportunity to share experience and develop network, which helps sharpen your management efficiency and effectiveness for mobilization of savings and investment, understand new financial products and technology, and reducing vulnerabilities of the banking sector. As the global cooperation is necessary to revive and accelerate the economic activity, to reduce the stress in banking and financial sector, to speed up transition to clean energy and climate change mitigation, and to strengthen fintech and use of digital technology for creating sustainable and inclusive economy. This high forum can play an instrumental role in this regard. I'm sure that this meeting will come up with concrete roadmap for recovery and sustained growth. At the end, I would like to add one or 2 points. We have 4 major areas which is attractive for private sector investment, including foreign direct investment. Hydropower is one of them. And we already have ecosystem of investment from Nepali domestic investors as well as from international investors. India has already agreed to buy up to 10,000 megawatt electricity within 10 years. So it has given opportunities and security for all those potential investors. World Bank is already coming up with one big project in eastern Nepal, and ADB is also supporting another big hydropower in eastern sector, which is reservoir project. And there is increasing interest in investment in hydropower sector in Nepal because it is green, and now the green is the way to go forward. So from this perspective, as you are the major banking representation from Asian region, I think financing is one of the important thing without which investment cannot take place. So I urge Asian banking sector to support investors who wanted to invest in hydropower sector in Nepal because it is green, it is related to mitigation of this climate change. I think now private sector, including financial sector, had to put certain amount of resources in green investment. From that perspective also, supporting green investment in Nepal, especially in the hydropower sector, is the way to go. And I'm confident and hopeful that the banking leaderships who are gathered here in Kathmandu will support and encourage investors from Asian region to invest in hydropower sector, which will support this climate agenda and towards sustainable and green economy. That is my request to you who are gathered here. At the end, I hope and I'm confident that you will stay in Nepal and Kathmandu will be very fruitful, and you will enjoy staying in Nepal, and you will come up with a concrete suggestions which will also be very useful for us. Thank you very much.